Hi everyone, my name's David with the Chorbie Home Services, and today we're going to go over something that's pretty simple that a lot of people might not notice, and that's keeping an eye on your trees, especially newer trees like the one right here to my left. This tree has a couple of stakes holding it upright, and it's a younger tree. It was planted when this home was built not too long ago, and it has grown a bit, and the tree is starting to grow around the braces, choking the transfer of nutrients up and down through the tree. So today we're going to adjust these braces and just show you kind of the process of us doing that. Once we get it pulled pretty tight, we'll go ahead and twist it off. One way you can check is if you do this and it pulls on the tree like that, you got a good tight line. You don't want it to be super tight, but you want it to be tight enough to where it doesn't have any give in between the two posts, as you can see. If you have any questions about the trees around your home, give Chorbie a call.